Hello everybody, this is Ryan and I'm back for week number 2. I'm excited to continue this journey with you. During week 2 we have several things that are due, and you have some work to do, some reading, some discussion boards to post, and you also need to finalize your observation setting. So let's jump into week number 2. Go to modules, scroll down to week 2, and we have our to-do list. So you're going to review the materials, you're going to participate in the discussion board, and you're going to finalize your setting. That's what you're going to do. The next page is your resources. So you need to work through these resources. There's some videos to watch and some articles to read. Please make sure you take time to do this. I'd recommend doing it earlier in the week. One thing you should always do, you should always try to make your initial post early in the week, usually by Wednesday. I would like to see all your initial posts made by Wednesday, and then your follow-up posts, your feedback to your classmates can be questions, could be additional ideas, additional concepts, things like that. Need to be done by Monday when the overall post is due. So I just wanted you to see this so we can see the resources. You need to work through these. Then the next thing we do is we have our discussion board. Let's go here. Let's go back one more. Let's go to our discussion board. So you have your discussion post here. Here's your resources we were just clicked on. You have your discussion board. Make sure you do this. It tells you exactly what to do. That says here to respond to at least 2 of your classmates. Make sure you do that earlier in the week so people have time to follow up with the responses. So again, you need to make your initial post by Wednesday, and your follow-ups can be later in the week. But it's hard for you to do follow-ups if there's no posts. So try to get your initial post done by Wednesday. And then the last thing you're going to do for this week is your observation setting finalized. You need to get this document done. So you'll do this. Remember, you're required to do 36 hours. Here is a document that you should open up. So you'll need to work through this. This is due by the end of module number 2, which is Monday, to September the 6th. So here are a few things to remember. Now, one thing I want to point out to you is in the yellow, if you're going to work in Iola, I need you to email me ASAP so I can generate that list and send to them. Here's a sample email for you to send out. If you have trouble or have questions about this, please let me know. So again, this is week number 2. You have resources to read and watch. You have a discussion board. It's the initial post you do by Wednesday. The follow-ups are due by Monday. And you have your finalized setting. And if you're working in Iola district, you need to email me so I can get that list and get an email sent out to them. So again, this is Ryan. If you have questions, let me know. Hope you have a great day. I'll talk to you later. Bye.